So good guys, everyone done good job. So and using basic tags guys, simply using basic tags you developed small web page. So that's good guys, so you should practice daily like this only. Okay now, so daily I will share you assignments and you have to practice and you can send me back guys, and if you have any queries we'll discuss again. Okay, right. So guys, simply from this HTML, guys, from this HTML totally we are going to learn only four now. So using HTML we can create web pages, right? See, once again, simply, so HTML, so it's a hypertext markup language. Okay, it's a hypertext markup language, and using HTML we can create web pages guys. Okay, so we can create web pages. We can create pages. And here we have to collect number of tags, elements, attributes and entities guys. Okay, so here we just collected number of tags, elements, attributes and entities only guys. And using this we can create the web page. That is only skeleton structure guys. We don't have any appearance, so we can get only the skeleton structure of web page only guys. So we can get like this layout, the structure only like this, the skeleton structure guys. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about so tags guys. So now guys, tell me what is tag guys? Anyone? What is tag guys? What is tag guys? What is tag? Simply tag is going to describe something. Tag is going to simply tag is going to describe something. Okay, now it is going to describe something and we are represent. Okay, so it's represent represent within the brace, within the angle braces guys, like this is open tag and like the close tag guys. Okay, because within the angle braces like this guys. Here we have a open tag and close tag. Okay, simply tag is going to describe something. Okay, and we are representing, how we are representing guys, using angle braces, using open tag and close tag guys. And here we have a n number of tags guys. Here we have a number of tags, like heading tags. Okay, basic tags, heading tags, paragraphs, links like images, list, tables, forms, frame sets, frames, time frames, media tags like audio, video, like map, like so many tags. These are so many tags in HTML. Okay, using tags we are going to do like this. When we are using tags we can represent like this. Okay, simply tag is going to describe something, so we have a n number of tags like this guys. Okay, and next one more word guys, element. So what is mean by element guys? Element is the combination of open tag and close tag guys. Simply what is an element guys? Element is the combination of open tag and close tag guys. Simply element is the combination of open tag, close tag guys. combination of open tag and close tag, guys, or we can say the interaction between the open tag and close tag, guys. Okay, now so this is the element. It's a element, guys. So here we have a two types of element, guys. In HTML, here we have a two types of element, guys. Here we have two types of two types of elements, like block level elements and inline elements, guys. See, we have a block level elements. And next we have a inline elements, guys. Okay, simply, guys, here we have a two types of elements, block level elements and inline elements, guys. So simply the block elements are going to display blocks wise like one by one, guys. Okay, na? Simply the block elements are going to display blocks wise like one by one, guys. Okay, see, I will show you. So block level, block elements simply starts with the new line, guys. Starts with the new line, display like one by one, guys. Starts with the new line, display like one by one, guys. Those are heading tags. Heading tags, paragraphs, div tags. So these are so many, guys. Okay, so many tags. These are block elements, guys. Okay, na? So these are block elements. Okay, the block elements are going to display blocks by one like this, guys. See, it's going to display like this. Okay, we did not use any break element. By default you will get one by one like this, guys. Those are block elements. And next we have one more type, what, guys? Inline, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, here one more type is inline elements, guys. Inline elements. Inline elements, the elements going to display within the same line, side by side, within the same line. Okay,
Yes.
within the
Yes.
same line, and display like side by side, guys. Display like side by side. So those are like anchor tag, span tag. I'll show you guys every element, especially with the list, guys. Okay, like image tag,
Yes.
okay, label, like input. So these all are inline elements, guys. So these elements are going to display side by side.
Inline
Like this.
element.
By
Yes.
default, you will get like this, guys. By default, you will get like this. guys, like this is going to display. These are inline elements. Inline. So guys, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Inline and block level.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, I will show you. See guys, in the last time we discussed here web demo. Here I get one HTML document. See, same file I'm going to copy paste again. This time I'm going to save like index2.html. So in this file I'm going to show you inline elements and block elements, guys. See, so here I'm going to do one heading, guys. H1, like heading 2. So all headings are block elements. So paragraph. So like div. Okay. See guys, I'm not using any break. So by default you will get one by one like this, guys. See, you got it, guys? Like these all are block level, guys. Understood now? I'm not using any break. So by default,
Yes,
every
sir.
element will start with new line, guys. It's a new line. Okay, guys. These all are what? Block elements. The block elements are going to display blocks wise one by one. Guys, understood now?
Yes.
So I'm going to creating one line, guys, for your understanding. Next I'm going to create one link. For that I'm going to
HR.
anchor tag.
HRF.
Yes. And next I'm going to create span.
Span.
Close. You can use image also. Discuss image later. Next label.
IMG.
Yeah, img src. Next label.
Yes.
Label also one of the element, and next input also. Okay, this is equal
Yes.
like text. So see guys, how these elements displaying like. See guys, understood now? Here, so these are displaying in the same
Yes.
side by side, guys. So these all are inline elements. Guys, understood now? Inline block level.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So those are elements, guys. Simply element is the combination of open tag and close tag. So in HTML we have two types of elements, that is block level and inline. So the block elements are going to display blocks wise one by one. Inline elements are going to display in the same line side by side, guys. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So next we are going to discuss about attributes, guys. What is an attribute? Attribute is the attributes give the additional information to the element, guys. Attribute.
Yes.
It gives additional information to that element.
Yes.
Okay, give the additional information, guys. Suppose we are using one style attribute, guys. In marquee we are using direction attribute. We use some attributes, na, guys. So like we have so many attributes, guys. Like
Yes, sir.
style is the one attribute. Okay, direction is one attribute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and like in image we have a source src is the attribute, link we have href is the attribute, class is the attribute, id is the attribute. We have so many attributes, guys. Simply attributes are give the additional information to the tag or element, guys. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
And next we have one more is entity, guys. So entity just like a string. Entities, so it's just like a string. Okay, starts with ampersand, guys, and ends with a semicolon. So every entity starts with ampersand and end with a semicolon, guys. Just like a string
Semicolon.
starts with ampersand and end with a semicolon. Okay now. So this entities
Yes.
you can use for two things, guys. One is to create space. To create space, guys, like single space or
Tab space.
yes, good. Like ampersand nbsp.
Yes, sir.
tab, like tab space ampersand EMSP semicolon. And one more is to create special characters. To insert special character.
Special characters.
Yes, special characters like ampersand copy, ampersand reg, ampersand hash 8377. So these are all guys.
Yes.
Copyrights will get like this, extra will get like this. This is the root symbol guys. Okay, so like so just we are going to collect only these four guys: tags, elements, attributes, and entities only. Okay, na? Guys, clear, right? So now you guys you
Yes.
can create using basic tags one web page guys. Okay, na? Using basic tags you can create web pages guys. Okay, okay guys. Yeah, yeah. Imran, if you want any queries, you can unmute and you can talk to me. Not an issue. Okay, na? Yes. Right. So guys, just we discussed only what is tag and what is element, what is attribute, what is entity guys. And today, so today we are going to discuss about now you can create the web page now. Suppose if you are creating more than one web pages. Suppose if you are creating more than one web pages, now we need to navigate one web page to another web page guys. So for that we have to use anchor tag. Okay na? See for links. See next we are going to discuss about HTML links guys. So to links we have to use anchor tag only. Okay, simply HTML links. So links here we have to use anchor tag. So simply guys, to learn any tag or any element guys, to learn any tag, you just remember only 3 points guys. What is the use of the element and how you represent and what are the attributes in that. You just remember only these 3 points. Okay now, just what is the use of element and how you represent, what are the attributes in that guys. Only 3 points. Okay, see what is the use of anchor tag? Simply to navigate one page to another page guys. Simply to navigate one page to another page we have to use anchor tag guys. Simply to navigate one page to another page guys. Okay, and so and next I will one more point guys. It's a one of the inline element guys. Just have a discussion na, anchor tag is the one of the inline element. It's going to display in the same line side by side guys. Okay, and next how you represent guys, that is the use of the anchor tag. Next what how you represent, see here a href. Okay, and you can write something and you can close the anchor tag. This is the representation guys, representation of anchor tag, representation of anchor tag guys. So here, so a is the tag guys and href is the attribute in that. Okay na? So just we have to tell what is the use of tag and how you represent and what are the attributes in that guys. Simply guys, now I am going to create small web page guys. In that I am going to create only 3 links guys. Simply here I have one web page guys. In that I am going to create 3 links to navigate Google, to navigate Facebook, to navigate YouTube. Okay, just I will create like this guys. I want to create like this .com. YouTube.com. See, I'm going to create like that, guys. For that, I'm going to create a href is the attribute. Href is the attribute. Okay, so you can write something, guys. Just you can write here what you want to display on the browser. So Google, here Facebook, YouTube. Okay, so here in the touch reference, guys. So in the touch reference, just we have to mention the address of that, guys. Just I'm going to create Google. I'm going to copy the Google address. Okay now. So this is the link, guys. You want to navigate Google page. In that h reference, you have to give the path like this, guys. Okay now? That is the URL you have to mention here. When you click onto the link, it will navigate to that google.com, guys. Guys, understood now? In h reference, you can give the path of the file. Okay, right. So now I will show you, guys. For newcomers, I'm going to create once again. You just listen carefully and you just right click. I'm going to create new file, guys. Just right click, go to new and select the text to document and give the file name .html, guys. Simply I'm going to store just links.html. See, by default you will get default browser icon and you just right click and you can edit anyone, guys. So first I'm going to use doc type, guys. So this is the represent the version of your document. Next we have a HTML root element. In that we have to use language attribute, that is like English. I'm going to close the root element. In root we have a head and body, guys. I'm going to get head, and again in head we have a title. Next we have a meta, guys. Meta, like cat set, it's a UTF-8. So title is going to display title on the title bar. Meta is going to encode your characters. To encode your characters, we have to use meta tag, guys. So using meta tag, we just describe your web page, guys, like character set information, content information, keyword information. So many things, guys. Okay, author are so many. Okay. Here you have a body. Close the body. Okay, here I'm going to get 3 links, right? Chalo, just here anchor tag, h reference is the attribute. You can write Google, like Facebook, like YouTube. See, guys, by default you will get like this. Okay, guys, by default you will get like this. So when I'm click out of the Google, you should navigate to Google. See, by default you will get within the same line side by side. Why, guys? Why? Because anchor tag is an inline element. Guys, understood now? Right. Suppose you want to show one by one, you can use break also, guys. That's up to you only. Okay. Suppose you want to show one by one, you can use break also, guys. By default, you will get like this only. Okay. When I'm click out of the Google, we need to navigate to the Google page, guys. So for that, just copy that Google address. Okay. Copy that Google URL. Copy, and you just insert into the H reference, guys. And next, like YouTube also, you can copy and you can paste. And like Facebook, okay, you just copy and you can paste. Simple, guys. It's a hyper reference. Okay na? href means what, guys? It's a hyper reference. So when you click on the link, it will navigate to that web page, guys. See? So when you click onto the Google, it will navigate to google.com. So guys, understood now? Next, and see, back, and when I'm click onto the Facebook, it will open Facebook page, guys. Back. When I click onto the YouTube, it will navigate to the YouTube page like this, guys. Guys, understand now? Guys, did you observe one thing? So when I'm click onto the link, simply, guys, when I'm click onto the Google link, so it will open in the current tab only, guys. So this tab only it's opening, guys. But when I'm click onto the link, I want to open new tab, guys. Okay na? So generally what we'll do? So generally we want to open new tab, we just right click onto the new link, guys. It will open new tab. We have a tab like this only. We have a new tab. And otherwise, suppose you have any shortcut knowledge, you just hold the control button, guys. You just hold the control button and click onto the link. It will open new tab, guys. Okay, now this is the one type. This is the one type of opening open link into the new tab, guys. But without using any control button, without using any right click option, I want to, when I'm click onto the normal, just I want to click onto the link. I want to open new tab, guys. So for that we have to use one more attribute, that is the target attribute, guys. So hreffer, hyperrefer, you can use the path in this only. And next one more attribute is target, guys. So here target is equal underscore. I am going to targeting underscore blank page, guys. Just blank. So it will open one more tab, guys. It will target to the one more tab. See. Now see, guys. See, when I click on the Google, it will open new tab, na. So we have tab here only. Facebook new tab, and like YouTube new tab. Guys, understood now? Guys, clear, right? So how you are navigating using target attribute, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good thing, yeah. So someone respond, guys. When I'm asking, someone responds. Okay, everyone very silent. Okay, now. So just you have to respond to me. Okay. And again you can unmute. And see, guys, okay, suppose, guys, I'm show you just Gmail. I'm going to mouse enter into the Gmail link, then what you will get, guys? You will get here Gmail. Okay, and same like when you click on the mouse into YouTube, what you will get, guys? Here you get YouTube. And even Facebook you don't have like that. Okay, so no problem. Simply when your mouse enter into the link or images, you want to show some title. For that we have to use one more attribute, that is the title attribute, guys. Target for what, guys? It will open in new tab. Okay, now. And one more attribute is title attribute, guys. You can use title also. Title. See, you can write something, guys, whatever you want. Here title. See, in YouTube I'm not giving any title, guys. Now see, when I mouse enter to the YouTube, nothing you will get. See, nothing you will get. When I click on the, when I mouse enter to the Facebook, you will get facebook.com, and Google, you will get google.com. So guys, understood now? So simply here I used three attributes, guys. One is the hrefs, hyperreference, guys. Href for hyperreference, and one more for target, and one more for title, guys. And guys, here I have an interesting question, guys. Here you have two titles now. This is the title, and here also title, guys. So one is the title attribute, one more is the title attribute, guys. Title tag and title attribute. So here title tag, the title is going to display title on the title bar, guys. And title attribute, when your mouse enter to that link or images, it shows you title. Guys, understood now? See, just remember only these 3 points, guys. What is the use of anchor tag, and how you represent anchor tag, and what are the attributes in anchor tag, guys. Simply, what is the use of that? Simply you just navigate one page to another page. We have to use anchor tag, guys. And so how you represent, guys? You just using a tag, a only, a open and a close. And next, what are the attributes in that? href, target, and title. So like that you have to remember, guys. You can learn any element. You can learn like image or list or table or form, or just remember only these 3 points. What is the use of tag, and how you represent, and what are the attributes in that, guys. That's it. Guys, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So okay, guys, actually here we have already sorry, Abhishek, come again. Abhishek, come again. What happened, Abhishek?
Nothing, sir.
Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Imran, have you any?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So guys, actually here, so we have already the Google page, we already have Facebook, we have already YouTube, guys. So simply just copy that URL and we can use, right? But not like that, guys. I want to create some files and I want to navigate one page to another page, guys. So now I'm going to create 3 web pages, guys. Okay, I'm going to create 3 web pages. So this is my index.html. Just assume me, I'm going to create 3 web pages. This is index.html, like home.html, like about.html, guys. Okay, so in home, in index, see, this is my index.html. Okay, here I am going to create home.html, and here I am going to create about.html. So in index I'm going to create some links, guys, like home, about, like services, contacts. Okay, here are some links, guys. And in home I'm going to add some content, guys. You can add any headings or paragraphs or images, whatever you want you can add. This is your home page. In home page you have some content, guys. Okay, this is your home page. In home page you have some content.
Yes.
Okay, so along with the content I'm going to create one link, guys. Like I want to navigate home to index. For that I'm going to create just a back link, guys. Back, when I'm clicking to the back I want to navigate that index to that home page to index, guys, like that. So same I'm going to create one more
Yes.
page, guys. Okay, simply, guys, now I'm going to create three web pages like this: home index.html and home.html and our.html. So when I open index.html, when I'm click onto this home, guys, when I click on this home, when I click on this home, when I click on this home link, it will navigate to this home.html, guys. And when I'm click onto the back link, guys, when I'm click onto
Yes.
the back link, okay, so it will navigate to
Yes.
again index.html. Same like about to
Yes.
about.html, and back, when I click on the back again it will navigate to index.html, guys. You understand? So now
Yes.
I'm going to develop like that, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So here simply I'm going to create first index.html. Just control plus select all, copy, new, paste, save. So here I'm going to create one folder, guys. Folder name like links. In links folder I'm going to create first index.html. Okay, in index we have to create some links, right? Just okay, hrefs home, home, okay, like about, services, products, contacts. So like that I'm going to do like this, guys. So this is your index.html, and suppose you want to display one by one, you can use break. That's up to you only. Okay, as per your design you can use the same line or one by one, or that's up to you, like this. So when I'm click onto the home, will you navigate home page? No. Why? Because there is no home.html, and even we did not mention any link also. So then I'm going to get one more page, guys. Just control plus A, select all, copy, new, paste, save. So here home.html. In home I'm going to add some content, guys, like heading, hello, hi. This is my home page, guys. Okay, here I'm going to get one paragraph also. Okay, and I want to get one back link, guys. Just I want to navigate just back. So control plus copy, new, paste, same like I'm going to create one more page like about.html. That's it. And change the heading. So guys, simply I create through three pages now. One is the index.html, and one more is the home.html, and one more is the about.html, guys. Now when I'm open index.html, when I'm click onto the home, I want to navigate that home.html, guys. Okay. Further, in that href you just mention you want to navigate home, right? Just mention that home.html. You want to navigate about, just mention about.html. That's it, guys. Now see, when I click onto the home, it will open home page. You guys understood now? Again click onto the back link, again it will navigate to the which page, guys? Index.html. Here I'm going to mention index.html. And from about also I want to navigate index.html. Now see, when you click on the bank, it will navigate to index page, and about you will get about page. Guys, understood now? Home page, back, index, about, home
Yes, sir.
page, back, index. Simply guys, just we have to navigate like that, simply one page to another page. Guys, understood now everyone? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Imran, Satya, Deepika, Abhishek, guys, Harsha.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Ah, simple guys. See, actually here we have a, so in links folder we have only 3 pages guys. Okay, we have index.html, home.html, and about. We have only 3 pages. Okay, and you want to navigate one page to another page, right? But guys, if we have only 3 pages, easily we can navigate guys. So in real time, suppose like if you are compare in place of 3, if you have 300 or 3000 or 3 lakhs, then how can we guys? So you will get confused. You will get confused guys. Okay now. So that's why first we have to create one folder structure guys. Okay, in that folder structure, so we have to create the number of folders guys. Okay, we are going to arrange separately. So first we have to create all page in one pages, and CS first into CS folder, JS into the JS folder. Okay now, images into the image folder. So like that, first we have to create one folder structure guys. I will show you how to create. See here I am going to show you. So why are separate like this guys? So suppose if you have all files in the single folder, you will get confused. That's why I am going to create one folder structure guys. So first I am going to create the project folder name, like suppose example my project guys. So this is my project folder name, my project. Okay, this is my project guys. This is my project folder name. If I open this folder, what is your main file guys? The main file is index.html. Index.html. And for this index, if you have any CSS files, you should create one CS folder guys. And if you have any JavaScript files, you have to create one JS folder. And if you have any images folder, and fonts folder, pages folder, so like that you have to create n number of folders guys. And we have only one file, that is index.html. CSS, JS, images, pages, fonts. So guys, this is your project to folder structure. Okay now you tell me guys, as per this structure guys, this is only, you have only, when you open your folder, we have only one main file, that is index. That is the main file, that is index.html. Okay,
HTML.
so as per this structure guys, as per this structure, my folder name like links guys. Okay now here my folder name like links. Okay, here my folder name like links guys. And if I open my project folder, I want to see only the main file, index.html guys. Okay na, the remaining home.html and about.html, as per this structure, which folder we need to create guys? Okay, as per this structure, which folder we need to create?
HTML.
No, I'm asking folder, Imran. You're saying file, index.html is the file. Come on guys, which folder we need to create?
My project.
Sorry? Speak loud, Imran.
My project.
So that is my project. My project, here you have a links, right?
Yes, sir.
So simply guys, we have to create pages folder. Pages, those are different for page now. Home page, about page now. Just I'm going to create pages folder guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay now I want to move this home and about to the pages folder. Okay, and when you add your images, you have to create images folder. When you have any CS file, you have to create CS folder, and if you have any JavaScript file, you have to create JS folder, guys, like that. Okay, as of now we have only the different pages now, that's why I'm going to create pages folder, guys. Okay, now I'm going to open index.html, and guys, listen carefully. If I click onto the home link, will you navigate home page? No. Why? Because
No, sir.
earlier the files in same location, guys, easily we can navigate. Now the file is another
Yes.
folder. Understood, guys? So in that case, so we have to mention like this, guys. Simply in that case you have to mention just to mention the folder name slash file, like pages slash home, guys. Just to mention pages slash home, and same like about also pages slash home. Now see, guys, now we can navigate just folder name slash file. And when I'm clicking to the back button, guys, here see, suppose you are in inside the folder now, guys, we are in inside the pages folder. Suppose you want to come out this folder, guys, then you just click on the back button now. So same here we have to use, guys, here we have to use just dot dot slash, guys. You want back, so you want back from the folder, you just use dot dot slash. Going forward, you just use folder name slash file name. Okay, coming back, you just use dot dot slash, guys. Guys, understood now?
Yes, sir.
So back, about, homepage, back, index. Guys, understood now? So files in
Yes,
same
sir.
folder, guys. Simply files in same folder. Just files in same folder. We just give the file name directly, guys. Files in another folder, we have to mention folder name slash file name. Suppose you want to come back, we have to use dot dot slash, guys, like that. So clear now, guys?
Sir, repeat. Malok sir explain it.
Right. So next, just I'll give, yeah. Okay, I will give 3 steps, guys. You just remember. I'll give 3 points, guys. Just the very very important point. You just remember. See, it's very very important, guys. You want to navigate folders or files or images. It's very very important. Simply just remember. I'll give only 3 points. First one is the files in same location, guys, or same folder. Files in same folder, guys. Okay, files in same folder. Like how here we have a index.html and same like home.html. Imran, please go on mute.
Okay, sir.
Okay, files in same location. See, the files in same location like this case. We have here we have a index.html and same like home.html, guys. Okay, you want to navigate index to home and home to index. Okay, simply we just mention like this, guys. So here href is the attribute. Okay, and we need to navigate home, guys. So here we have to mention that home.html. You want to navigate about, here about.html. That's it, guys, simply. Okay, sorry, home now. So home to index, right? In href just to mention here you have index, guys. Suppose you want, when I'm clicking on the index link, you want to navigate index page, right? Just use index.html. That's it. So when you apply like this, guys, the files in same folder, you should mention directly file name, guys. Guys, understood now this one? Files in same folder? Files in same folder?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's tell you one more, guys. Files in another folder, guys. Files in another folder. Suppose I have structure like this. But this home is another folder like pages folder. Guys, so now tell me guys, you tell me how you are navigating. Guys, here you have to mention. So simply first we need to navigate index to home. That home is inside the pages, guys. Okay, so you want to back, you have to use dot dot slash and file name. See, I'm going right here.
Yes, sir.
Just a href. Just mention you want to navigate home, right? Okay, you want to navigate home. We have to mention here simply the folder name first. Folder name slash file name home dot html. That's it. Okay, so coming back. Okay. Okay, coming back. I have to mention. So index home to index. Home to index. So we have to mention here. We need to come back. We need to step back, right? That we have to use dot dot slash
Dot dot.
index dot html. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Guys, understand? The two steps understood, guys. Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next I'll give one more structure, guys, and you just put in the chart box. Okay na? You just put into the chart box, guys. I'll give one more structure. You just put into the chart box, guys. Files in different folders. Okay, files in different folders, guys. Okay, I have two folders like folder 1 and folder 2, guys. Okay, in folder 1 I have a index.html, guys. In folder 1 I have a index.html. In folder 2 I have a home.html, guys. Okay, now I want to navigate index to home and home to index, guys. You just add your navigation in the chart box, guys. You just add your path into the chart box, guys. You just write here. You can show me, guys. You can add into the chart box, guys. Okay na? Just add to the chart box. So now index is inside the folder 1, guys. Okay, we need to navigate from index to home to index, guys. You just add, guys. Rohit and Vamshi, wait for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Yeah, guys. Imran, Abhi, Satya, guys, anyone, you can add your path into the chat box, guys. Anyone? What happened? Okay, no problem. I will show you guys. Simply, guys. Now we are in folder 1 na. See, just I want to navigate index to home, guys. Just mention a href. So just to navigate home, right? Okay na. So for that, so now index is inside the folder 1 na. So here we just use dot dot slash. We need to come out, right? For that I'm going to use dot dot slash. Then after open the folder 2. Then after you can get home.html. That's it, guys. Simply. Guys, listen carefully. It's very, very important. So we need to come out first. For that I am going to use dot dot slash. Then after folder 2 slash. Then after file name. And again home to index. Dot dot slash folder 1 slash index.html. Guys, understood now? Yeah. Okay, Deepika, you missed dot slash, right?
Yes, sir.
No. Now you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Even Abhi also, we don't have any pages here. We have folder like folder 1 and folder 2. Okay, you want to navigate like this. Okay, you want to go to the home, you have to first come out for that. We have to use the dot slash. After F2 and then home.html. You want to back dot slash folder 1 slash index.html. So next I will give one more, guys. You just try to answer again. Guys, everyone, Abhi, Deepika and everyone, guys, you can try to answer. I will give one more structure. Guys, now you have a folder 1, folder 2 and folder 3, guys. In folder 2 you have a home.html. Now you can give the path, guys. So we need to navigate folder 1, you have a index.html. From that you need to go to the folder 2, you have a folder 3, you have a home, guys. So you just navigate home to index and index to home. Trying na? Anyone? Anyone, guys? Deepika, Abhishek.
Yes.
Yes, sir, typing. Just a second.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Abhishek, dot slash f1 slash sorry, dot slash f3. No, Abhishek, no. And Deepika, dot slash. See, Deepika, when you are enter dot slash, you already come out from the f1. Why you are mention again f1? Deepika, understood na?
Sorry, sir. F2 and F1. I mean, F3 and F2.
See, Deepika, you are navigating from index to home now. Why you are mention index? You are going to home, right?
సార్ ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పరా సార్?
Dot
సార్ ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ చూపియారా?
చెప్తాను ఒక్క నిమిషం. And F3, Harsha, you also wrong. See, guys, simply, guys, here, see, you guys are navigating from index to home, right? The index is inside the F1 na, guys. The index is inside the F1. We need to navigate to home, right? We need to navigate to home page. Okay, index to home na.
ఓకే.
So now we are in F1. First you have to come out from that. That's you have to dot slash. Okay. Then you have to open F2. Then you have to open F3. Then you have to get home.html like this. Understood now?
F2, F3 home. Yes, sir.
Yes. And now back home to index. href. We need to navigate index. Okay, here we need to come out from first F3 guys. F3. For that I am going to use dot dot slash.
సార్
Just
చాలా
I come out from
డిస్టర్బెన్స్ గా
F1.
ఉంది
Again I
సార్
have to come
వాయిస్.
out from F2 also. Then again I need to use dot dot a slash. Then I have to open F1. Then index.html.
సార్
Understood now guys?
Yes, sir.
Simply going see simply
సార్
guys.
వాయిస్ క్లియర్ లేదు సార్.
Yeah, sorry Imran.
ఇమ్రాన్ వల్ల వాయిస్ క్లియర్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. గుర్తుపెట్టమన్నా.
Yeah, Imran, come again. Come on guys, someone speak. Simple guys, you just remember only two steps. Suppose the files in same folder, you can directly navigate guys, home to index or index to home. Suppose the file in another folder, just use we are going forward like this guys. We don't have any folder now, so directly we go to the F2. So that's why just I mentioned pages slash home.html guys. But here I want to navigate home to index. Here the home is inside the page, right? I want to come out from this. I want to come out from the pages. That's why I'm going to use dot dot slash. And now the index is we don't have any folder. That's why I directly mentioned index.html. Okay now. But here see now I want to navigate index to home. Now the index is inside the folder 1 guys. That's why I mentioned dot dot slash. Okay, now go to the F2 slash, then home.html. Okay now, and back also same like that guys, dot slash F1 slash index.html. So here we are going to two folder. The home is inside the two folder guys. So first I want to come out from this. That's why I'm going to mention dot slash. Then open F2, then open F3, then home.html. And suppose you want to come out from the two folders, right? Here we have to mention 2 times dot slash. You just come out from the F3 only. Again you want to come out, again you have to use dot slash. Then folder 1 slash, then index.html, like that guys. Guys, understood now?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay, so guys, simply just remember only these 3 points. And guys, I will use small assignment on this. You just try to develop as it is. So to open assignments HTML. See guys, you just develop like this guys. You just create one web page. So just create one web page. In that you have created one heading, one heading, one line. Okay, you can create any 4 or 5 links, that's up to you. And you can, if you want, you can add any image, that's up to you. And next paragraph, background color, paragraph, one more background color, and you can apply some footer. So this is your entire index.html guys. So same like you can create n number of pages like home, about, service, contact. You just navigate one page to another page guys. That's it. So simply in the classroom what we discussed, same you can develop like that only guys. Okay, so I'm going to share the soft copies and you have to practice. So here tags, elements, attributes, entities. Anchor tag. And folder structure. Okay, so guys, just let me just confirm your mail ID. I'll share the soft copies.